Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a voiceover video, which I don't usually do, but I had the opportunity to record this one for this review video and styling. I was recently sent a wig by CACTUS Mafia, and as you can see, I'm opening it right now, and it's a short pink wig that's $30 on their website, and it's called Sweet Skitter Bug Giggle. Most of their wigs are titled something kind of silly like that, that's referencing a character of some sort that it could be used for. CACTUS Mafia is a Canadian brand that I've seen at a lot of cons actually, and I have purchased from them before. I have a deco wig that you might have seen on my Instagram posts that I did buy from them, and I find that their wigs are really easy to work with. You could see as soon as I took it out of the bag that it's already fluffy at the back, and I really like that for wigs that you need to like make spikes on or any sort of like volume. The way I plan on styling this Mina wig is really similar to how I styled my Deku wig. I just used a steamer for Deku so that the hairs would stick up a lot more. And the first time I wore him, it was kind of intense, and I ended up fixing it and actually like styling in spikes the second time I wore him because I like it not looking like a giant circle on my head. But for Mina, I did try to go for the spikes that she has in the anime and like try to style them in the sort of direction that her hair is going. But you could totally just do the bangs and leave it like just kind of naturally fluffy looking so that it's not hard as a rock after all the hairspray. I'm using a teasing brush that I got from Sally's Beauty, and I'm styling the spikes into whichever direction I want. I just brush back on the hairs and then I smooth over the top really gently so that it looks smooth afterwards. What I really like about the CACTUS Mafia wigs is that the fibers, they feel different than the wigs I have received from online or other cosplay wig stores. They're really nice to work with when you need to do spikes and stuff because they sort of really easily fluff up. I find that their wigs are very like thick and they have a lot of layers to them. It's really nice, and I think it's really good quality for the price that you can get them at. I really enjoy that you can get them at cons, but obviously ordering online is probably the most preferred thing to do right now. If you do end up wanting to purchase a wig, you can use my code Keyozee, which I'll flash across the screen right now, and you can get a discount on any sort of purchases you make from this store.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world. And gentlemen, one of the many things that give you that tip-top feeling is the pleasure of being well-dressed.
Oh, and we're all done. You can see we're pink, we're here, we are Mina with normal eyes. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye!